This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly.
Varianse delivers a feature-driven trading environment built specifically around execution quality and institutional-grade infrastructure. Core features include a true ECN model that aggregates pricing from more than 20 liquidity providers, including Tier 1 banks and non-bank institutions, giving traders access to deep liquidity and highly competitive market pricing. The platform supports ultra-tight spreads that can reach 0 pips on major Forex pairs during high liquidity sessions, combined with low latency execution and deep market depth visibility. These features are especially valuable for scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic strategies that depend on precision fills, minimal slippage, and consistent execution under fast market conditions. From a trading functionality perspective, Varianse is clearly designed for professional use cases. Traders have access to advanced order types, expert advisor compatibility, and systematic trading support without artificial restrictions. Full market depth allows traders to see liquidity beyond the top of the book, while fixed API access on higher tiers enables direct connectivity for institutions, prop-style traders, and high-volume strategies. Educational and analytical resources at Varianse are designed to complement this execution-first approach. Instead of generic trading tutorials, the content focuses on practical topics such as spread behavior, execution mechanics, transaction cost analysis, and how liquidity impacts real-world trading outcomes. This makes the platform well-suited for traders who already understand the basics and want to refine performance. Beginners can still use the platform, but they should expect a steeper learning curve compared to brokers built around mass market onboarding. Varianse was established in 2015 by former engineers and traders from leading Tier 1 banks, with the goal of making institutional grade execution and pricing available to a wider range of traders. Since launch, it has expanded to serve clients in more than 100 countries and positioned itself as a specialist broker focused on technology, liquidity sourcing, and execution transparency, rather than size alone. Only after understanding these features does the account structure become relevant. Varianse offers 3 main account types: Classic, ECN Pro, and Prime. The Classic account is designed for accessibility, offering a straightforward trading setup for lower volume traders. The ECN Pro account is built for active and professional traders, providing raw spreads, full market depth, and advanced execution tools. The Prime account targets high net worth and institutional traders with customized liquidity, negotiable conditions, and significantly higher entry requirements. Leverage can go up to 1 to 500 depending on region, and minimum deposits scale across tiers from relatively low on Classic to substantially higher on Prime. Overall, Variance's structure rewards execution discipline, trading volume, and professional style strategies rather than casual or purely experimental trading.
QTRADE takes a very different approach, focusing on long-term investing, portfolio building, and investor confidence, rather than high-frequency trading or leveraged speculation. The platform is designed primarily for self-directed investors who want access to Canadian and US equities, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, and registered investment products in a structured and regulation-first environment. One of QTRADE's strongest features is its research depth. Investors gain access to screening tools, analyst insights, model portfolios, and educational resources that help with decision-making rather than short-term trading. This makes QTRADE particularly attractive for investors who want to build diversified portfolios over time, instead of actively trading price movements. The interface emphasizes clarity and control. Order placement is straightforward, portfolio tracking is clean, and tax-efficient investing tools are integrated directly into the platform. QTRADE also places strong emphasis on investor education, offering guides, market commentary, and learning resources designed to help users understand risk, asset allocation, and long-term strategy. The upside is a stable and confidence-driven investing experience. The downside is that traders looking for advanced charting, derivatives trading, or rapid execution tools may find the platform limited and slower compared to active trading brokers. QTRADE's history stretches back to the early 2000s, originating in Canada through partnerships with credit unions seeking a reliable online brokerage solution for their members. Over time, QTRADE evolved into a nationally recognized direct investing platform with a strong reputation for customer education, investor protection, and conservative financial practices. Its long operating history gives it credibility among Canadian investors, particularly those focused on registered accounts and retirement planning. However, the platform's traditional structure can feel outdated to users accustomed to modern trading apps and real-time analytics. In terms of account structure, QTRADE offers a wide range of account types designed for both registered and non-registered investing. These include cash accounts for straightforward stock and ETF investing, margin accounts for investors who want borrowing and short-selling capabilities, and a full suite of registered accounts such as TFSA, RRSP, RRF, HSA, RESP, and LI-IRA. Each account type is tailored to specific tax and investment needs, allowing users to build portfolios aligned with Canadian tax rules. Pricing is structured around per-trade commissions, with reduced costs for active traders and portfolio-based benefits for higher balances, rather than spread-based pricing. Looking at public feedback, Varianse currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.4. Many users praise the smooth account setup, execution quality, and helpful support responses, while a few mention occasional concerns around currency conversion and withdrawal clarity. QTRADE Financial Group, on the other hand, shows a Trustpilot rating of 1.6. Reviews frequently highlight dissatisfaction with customer service response times, outdated platform elements, and administrative friction, although some users still acknowledge that the core investing tools themselves are functional and reliable once its accounts are fully set up. Final takeaway: if you're an execution-focused trader who values tight spreads, institutional liquidity, and transparent trading costs, Varianse is clearly built for that performance-driven mindset. If you're a long-term investor, prioritizing Canadian market access, registered accounts, research tools, and tax-efficient investing, QTRADE offers a more traditional and structured investing environment, though with trade-offs in user experience and support satisfaction. If this comparison helped you choose the platform that fits how you invest or trade, hit like, subscribe for more honest platform breakdowns, and click the link below to access the software that actually matches your goals, strategy, and risk tolerance.